Welcome back, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video of how you can make money online just by uploading pictures and all of that. Now it says, let's get started. Upload your best images or clips and submit them for review. Now, once you want to upload a video or an image, please make sure it is clear. You understand? You can clean the lens of your camera or anything, or you can snap and then use other editing app to edit it. In fact, you can also upload AI pictures where you snap and use a free AI to turn that image into a very attractive image. Do you understand? Now here you have to do is you click on this upload, but then again, if you are not sure the type of content that you want to upload, like the way we are now, we are new to this thing, so we are not really sure what type of content that we can upload. We can just check out their short list. Now this is their short list. Their short list will give us an insight of what they mostly request, or the type of images you can upload. Our monthly guide to most requested content. Most requested content in October is this particular one that looks like an Halloween picture, you understand, or an Halloween video. You get? If you start making money on this particular website, you can just gather up 2 or 3 kids around your compound, do makeup, like hilarious makeup for them, get hilarious, this eye whatever marks, hilarious marks, and ask them to put it on. Children will be happy to do that. Then you make a video of them, you snap them individually as well, then you just give them different scripts to play out, and you have a lot of videos just by doing that. All you have to do is maybe dash the children that particular marks or something like that. Here we have the senior travel. You can go to a park. If you see someone dressing nice, you tell them, wow, I like your outfit, please can I snap you? Then you snap, then you upload and start making money. The next one here is this nostalgia kind of illustration where where you showcase something. You understand? Maybe an object, something like that. Sha. Then we have kids and dogs, or kids and animals, or happy accidents. You know, sometimes there are accidents that happen in our home, especially with kids. You'll be like, ah, thank God this is even happening. Like, something like that. Scroll down to see the type of things that you can upload. Now, with that being said, let's go back. We click on this upload. Once you click on this upload, it will take you to where you pick something to upload. This place you can drop in multiple files. Now, for me here, I'll just be uploading a very nice random picture. So what I'll just do is, then you have to make sure that your images are like 4 megapixels. You select multiple files. You can upload multiple images for them to pick any one from. This is it. You click on files. So once you click on files like this, you'll be able to select. So once you click on files like that, you'll be able to select. Let's just select AI gallery. That is what my gallery should look like. You come here. Once you come here, you'll be able to pick a particular picture that you want. So now I just made this particular picture. I downloaded it, this particular one I downloaded it, and let's see. So let me show you guys how I was able to get that particular image. You come to Canva. This is what the Canva should look like. You come to Canva, then you can pick any image from Canva. It is free, or you can pick any of your images. Like me, I would love to pick my own image. You understand? So you click on this plus button. Once you click on this button, you can just do any image. Just type in pictures. That this is the major reason why I decided to create this video separately, because it is actually lengthy. So I just want to show you guys this procedure so that you guys will know, or you guys will be able to replicate it and get significant results. You understand? So here we have the plain sheet. Now the plain sheet, I'll click on this plus button. Please note that Canva is an amazing website where you can always come around to pick something or to edit something. So I will come here on the plus button. I'm using the free version. I'm using the free version right now. So the free version, I will click on this particular one. I think I like this one, but I feel like changing it. Let's do something else. Let's do something else. Sorry guys, I just scroll down and pick amazing. Okay, let's pick this particular picture. I think I like it. I love the background. So what I'll just do is to change the image, to replace the image. Now I'll come down to my own gallery. That was what I did with that picture. So I'm teaching you another method. I'll come down to my own gallery. um so I'll come down to, I've picked the image I want. This is the image I want, and this is how the image would look. This is how the image would look. It looks a little bit off somehow. So what I'll just do is to replace this particular background. I'll replace it with something else. Okay, let's do something like this. Let's replace it with something like this. Now this picture actually depicts a joyful Hijabian lady. I don't know, a joyful niqab lady, or a joyful Muslim lady. I don't know if you understand. So what we just do is to hit on this download button. Now please, before you download, make sure you change the quality from PNG to JPG. You understand? Come ahead to JPG. This is it, because this is the acceptable format. Do not download in PNG. Change it to JPG and click download. Change it to JPG and click download. Then you download your design. You can decide to use other design, other whatever, other format. That one is your choice. Please explore the website. Please, whenever I drop a website or I show you guys a website, do well to just explore the website. Let's go back here to our contributors platform. It's loading. Now we pick on this select multiple images. It says they can't wait to have us. We click on got it. Select multiple images. Okay, they usually ask us to select multiple images, but me on the other hand, I think I'll just select just one design. Yeah. So guys, can you see it's already showing here? You can select as many pictures as you want. You can edit as many images as you want. Sure that your images are at 4 megapixel. Just type in 4 megapixel on Canva. Type in 4 megapixel images on Canva. Then you can use the frame to re-edit your own picture, delete all the background setting and all of that, then input your own background setting and all of that. Then you click on this next here. So you allow it to load and it brings you to this particular platform where you can check how your work is going, because they need to check if it follows their rules and regulation. And once they check it, your work will be out there on the open air, like your people will be able to see your work. So this is all you have on how you can upload images on this particular website. Also, then you need to come here, this up section here. You click on account setting. You click on account setting and set all your profile details and information and all of that. Make sure that everything is set so that they will not use the system. You understand? You can choose a payment method here depending on the one that you want, because I know that that is one of the major things you guys will ask me. What payment method? Can you see here? It says Payoneer, PayPal and Skrill. Now if you are in Nigeria, you can create a Payoneer account. If you are in Nigeria as well, we can hire my team can help you to create a PayPal account, but you have to pay a token for it. You understand? But if you don't want that, you can use Payoneer account. But if you have other needs for PayPal and all of that, you can reach out to me on Telegram. Now, if you're in somewhere like India, China, or so thereabout, you can use Skrill, whichever payment method you want to use. I have a video, I will leave the video link in the description, that tells you how you can open a Payoneer account and get a free $25 just by creating a Payoneer account. I will leave the video link in the description box, or it will be a pinned comment in the comment section. So you can choose a Payoneer or a PayPal. After then, you need to input your PayPal details and all of that. You change the name, because the name that will be here must be the same name on your PayPal or on your Payoneer account. Then you have to set your minimum payout. Now, their minimum payout here is $25. If you can wait, you can set it to like $200, 300. But please, you need to be consistent with all of this. I do tell people, if you want to make money online, be consistent. You cannot upload one picture today and then you will now forget about it and leave it again to now upload another one next month, and you expect to start making money. Things do not work like magic. You understand? Then you give your licensing, like image licensing, anybody can use it. You click on all those things, and then you click on this save and you save it. Now, if you have, you click on save. Now, if you have any issue, you come to where it says your account setting. As you can see, it says your account setting has been saved. Now, if you have any issue, you come to where it says help here. You come to this place where it says help. Now, this help section is where you can reach out. This help section is where you can reach out to them. Like, if you have any issue regarding uploading or your payments, or updating your profile. You understand? You can go to their support center or you can contact them directly. So there is no problem. Whenever you have issues, reach out to them. You are a contributor on their platform, so they'll definitely always be ready to answer you. With that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel after getting this valuable content, hey, what are you waiting for now? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have a photo freak or a video freak around you, send them this video so that they will not just keep those their pictures and images in their whatever in their gallery. Let them start uploading it and start making money when people download. And mind you, Shutterstock receives more than 100,000 downloads every day. So at least if you are even getting like maybe like I'll say 20 downloads in a day on Shutterstock, you know that by the end of the month it will amount to maybe like 500 downloads in a month, or 400. So you should be happy. But before you can be happy, please make sure you are consistent. Do not come on this platform and tell me that it's not working, it's not doing this, it's not doing that. Before you can tell me that, just make sure that you are consistent with what you are doing so that we'll not have issues. You understand? If you want to be uploading 8 a.m. every day, be uploading 8 a.m. every day. Do this for like 3 months. I assure you will see significant results. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be signing up on this website, or if this looks like something that you are interested in. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.